Hi guys, so this is a video on how to shut off the intelligent speed assist on the Volvo XC40. I've just taken delivery of this vehicle this week. It's a 2024 model and it comes with a feature called an intelligent speed assist. What this means is that every time you perhaps slightly exceed the speed limit, you can see you've got that 30 sign there. If I exceed that, the car will start making a noise, dinging at me. Now occasionally the car, for some reason, it confuses itself and it doesn't have the right information, so it thinks I should be doing 20 miles an hour in a 60 mile an hour zone, and the car is making noises at me left, right and centre, and it is highly irritating, to the point where I was on the verge of returning the car back to Volvo. But you don't need to do that. After some searching around, I've found a way of shutting this off. So we just go through the first couple of things. If you see down here, you've got this cog symbol that takes you into the settings, and at the top there you've got the driving settings for assist and driving dynamics. So if we go into there and if we scroll down, you'll see there's intelligent speed assist. So you've got the options there. Intervenes when exceeding the speed limit. It can be turned off temporarily on the steering wheel. Default sound alerts can be replaced with adaptive pedal response. So this adaptive pedal response here, I've tried that one out. I don't recommend it. Basically it essentially sets a speed limiter. So you're driving along, the speed limit's 30 and that is it. The car will not exceed 30 miles an hour unless you absolutely bury the accelerator, and then you have a delay of a few seconds and then the car will just go flying down the road. Frankly, it's a little bit dangerous. But the very easy way of doing it, as I must admit I overlooked it at first, it does clearly say it there on the steering wheel. So you've got this button here where the cruise control area is, this left button. If you push that, if you look on the dash, if I push that, you get this message: speed limit warning turned off. Hallelujah, that is it. We're in business, guys. Problem is, you have to do that every time you get in the car. So a bit of a pain, but frankly, not as annoying as the car constantly making a noise at you. So, and it's not too much of a drama. You just have to push this button here and off it goes. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.